Hello, it's me again. I've been getting a lot of questions on how I keep my chickens so healthy, producing eggs all winter long. Well, this is it. Tired of answering the question 1,000 times. But just good old corn, whole corn, not the kind for humans, the kind for animals, of course, and whole oats. You just mix it together and you should be good. At oyster shells. Here and there, I wouldn't do it every time, but keep your eggs strong. Just about a scoop. So, add it in. Make sure it's about equal, corn, whatever. Like I said, you don't need that much calcium. So you don't need to put that much oyster shells in there every time. But just mix it up and see they're coming to it. They're coming. And they love it. Tick, tick, tick. Go get it. But yeah, they will though eat it right out of your hand. They love it. No, not right now. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.